The main thing to remember with these little compositions is to work inside out, and that some of these will be unit circle values and some of them will be triangles. So for this first one, radical 3 over 3, definitely a unit circle value. So we want to work inside out. Where is tangent radical 3 over 3? Well, that happens at pi over 6. And then you're going to replace that whole thing and find the secant of pi over 6. Well, secant isn't my favorite. I'd rather think about cosine. So the cosine of pi over 6 is radical 3 over 2. So I'm going to flip that since secant is the reciprocal. And rationalize. Unit circle compositions are generally a little bit easier because you don't have to make a triangle. When you have a non-unit circle value, then it's a triangle problem. So this is a triangle problem. So what this gives me, this inside here gives me the triangle to make. So since it's all positive, I'm going to go first quadrant here. My triangle always has a right angle on the x-axis and has that little internal angle like our unit circle angles. And then tangent is opposite over adjacent. And in order to find sine of this triangle, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so I need to find the hypotenuse. So 5 squared plus 12 squared, 25 plus 144, 169 is my c squared. Square root of both sides here, square root of 169 is 13. This is a special right triangle that you should probably have memorized. If you don't, then you just need to do the little math. I won't give you anything more than 13 or 14. 14 is 196 to do without a calculator. So here, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So that middle part of the composition gives you the triangle to build. And the outside part tells you the ratio that you want. So we got the triangle from 5 over 12. And the fact that we were using tangent told us where to put the 5 and 12. And then sine tells us the ratio we want. From this, we want opposite over hypotenuse, which is 12 over 13. And that is our final answer. So one example of each, we did several of these in class, just work inside out, and make sure you recognize unit circle problems versus triangle.